Netgear WN3000RP Setup Instructions. First, unbox your extender and plug it into a power outlet near your router. This ensures it's powered on and ready for setup. On your device, open the Wi-Fi settings and connect to the extender's network, which should be named Netgear_EXT or something similar. Next, open your web browser and go to http://www.mywifiext.net. This will take you to the setup page. Log in using the default username admin and the password password. This gives you access to the extender's configuration settings. Once logged in, the setup wizard will appear. Click Start Setup to begin the configuration process. The wizard will scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Select your existing network from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password to allow the extender to connect to your network. You'll have the option to extend your network with the same SSID or create a new one. Choose the option that best suits your needs. Click Apply or Save to finalize your settings. The extender will now configure itself based on your selections. Reconnect to your original Wi-Fi network and test the signal strength in the area where you needed better coverage. Adjust the extender's position if necessary. And that's it. Your Netgear WN3000RP is now set up and enhancing your Wi-Fi coverage. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.